All right, in today's video, we're going to be changing out the calipers in this '08 Tacoma. They're old. This has been a beach truck, so they're kind of rusty, and we got some new ones that are zinc plated. This is my son's truck, and he's going to be doing all the work. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. All right, first thing he's going to do is disconnect the existing brake line.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this loose, to where it's almost out. I'll take that bolt, the top one, the rest of the way out. Take this off, pull that off, fill the new one on, put one bolt in, and just kind of snug it up, just so it doesn't, like, you know, it's not free flow and drip. And then we'll be good to go, I think. I don't want to let it hang either, because that might mess up that line. Jesus Christ. I don't remember the other side going in this much.
If you need it to.
I just need to loosen this up.
Oh, I got you.
This thing's about had it.
Why don't you let me do that while you hold the line?
I can get it. They should have anti-seize on. I think I gotta take that off and then get that started on that, and then I can put it in place. I just can't kink it. That's the one thing that You want to help? Yeah. Get that caliper in place. Let me try and get threaded into that first. Yeah, hold on. I got it.
That's straight. So we disconnected that brake line bracket and attached the brake line to the replacement caliper.
These don't need to be tightened just yet.
Alright. So the next thing, brake line's attached, calipers mounted, and we're going to mount the brake line bracket.
FYI, somebody's done these lines before, because this side's not the same as the other side.
You get that line tightened up in there.
Just gonna go around and clean everything up, because brake fluid is corrosive. Okay. Now I gotta swap the brake pads over from the old one. Keep an eye on this and let me know if it drips.
Yeah.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lube everything up before I put it together.
Yeah.
I don't need that at all. But then again, the OEM ones are like that. So
What
the way those pins are, they're supposed to be like that, but a lot of aftermarket ones don't come that way. It's actually a better system, in all honesty. Oops. I don't use a lot. I just use a little, because I can get a lot of it on the pads. Sorry, it's a time-consuming process. One end out, lube it up.
Anybody that's watched this far, you can use the same process without removing the caliper to change your brake pads.
God damn, this truck just rust, man. Just sitting. Don't even go to the beach anymore. It's still just rusting away.
I like those calipers though. They played it like that.
Yeah, this should last forever. This should last the life of this vehicle.
Yep.
Hopefully I didn't get out on the pads. This is not really shit I should be using for this, but it's whatever. What am I forgetting?
Springs.
Yep. That looks right.
Yeah, most Tacomas only have one spring. We've opted to put 2 sets of springs on this truck. It just has a better brake withdrawal, I guess you could call it.
The brakes retract better with both.
Yep. No, less stickiness.
Mm-hmm. Well, I think the problem with that was just there was so much rust before and everything that, I mean, granted, the trucks that come from like Ohio and stuff are way worse, but or Michigan. foot-pounds on those. Foot-pounds.
All right, so now it's time to bleed the brake system. We have a pneumatic tool that we've used before, and it comes with a bleeding adapter, and we get this thing hooked up, loosen it up, put a vacuum on this, and it'll bleed the brake system. And we'll do the final bleeding by hand.
And pump. Pump and hold. Alright. And pump. Alright. That's good.
All right, so we finished the caliper changed and we took it for a test drive and everything's working okay. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, hit share and like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.